I was typing along and I heard this little sound that grew louder and louder.
Peter's sneeze could be described as aggressive. So it goes, Wachoo! Wachoo!
That's so high pitched, but yeah.
Well, that's my voice.
Yeah.
That's my impression.
It was this short, sudden bursts of energy. It's
Okay, that's a bit of an exaggeration.
It's strange, to say the least.
Eli's sneeze is like a machine gun. It like keeps on shooting and puttering again and again and again until sometimes it jams. Things done.
Jessica's sneeze is like a
Delicate flower.
like a delicate flower just farted. It's like a little tiny flowery gunshot in a cartoon that ricochets off one of the walls.
Choo! Choo! Choo choo choo! Choo 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 choo!
He rarely sneezes, but when he does, oh my god, you think it's like a tornado or an earthquake.
Richard's sneeze sounds like he just came upon the solution to a problem, but in an incredibly startling way, like a ah, and then followed by a like relieving chew.
He's like, ah, 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 and he'd be doubled over on the floor.
I like it. I'll take it. Choo!
Are you done?
Choo! Choo!
Wachoo!
Choo!
Wachoo!